it's Keely. Hope you're doing amazing. If you want to see how I got this orangey glowy look, then keep on watching. Gotta get those extra brow hairs gone. Priming with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. And gonna start right in with filling in my brows, just using the Anastasia brow powder. And there's the sun. I am sitting in front of a window, so the sun is creeping in a little bit in this video. So I apologize about that. Just filling in my brows and then using the Charlotte Tilbury brow gel, which I love. It has a tint to it. Now going in with foundation. This is the YSL foundation that I've been loving. I will list everything down below. Adding a little more coverage, and I added in a little bit of a darker foundation just to add in a little more color, and blending everything in with my Morphe sponge. Now going in with concealer. This is the Dior Forever concealer. Going under the eyes and on the high points of my face. And I like to prime my eyelid as well with my concealer. Just making sure everything's nice and blended. And then gonna go in and set everything with the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. And now time to bronze it up. This is the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. This is a great neutral contour shade. Definitely one of my go-tos. Little extra bronze never hurts, and a little extra blending never hurts. Love this Colourpop fun shade, and this formula is great applied with your finger, tapping it in and then blending it up into my crease with my finger as well. I'll list the shade down below. Now the Urban Decay Heat Palette, taking that bone shade as the brow bone highlight, then that brown color on the left, taking it into the crease, just blending it back and forth. And then I'll go in with the more orange shade on the right, and I'm keeping that on the outer corner and then blending it up into the crease as well. I always like to clean up my edges with my beauty sponge and taking this dark brown and using that as my liner, using the pencil brush going across the top lash line, and then I'll bring it down to the lower lash line as well, just smudging it out and cleaning it up again. Now blush. Love this Tarte palette. I'm mixing those two corally peach shades, and you'll see here I love blush, adding more, taking it all over the face for an extra hint of color, setting everything in, and highlighting. Love this Nicole Guerrero palette. These highlights pop, and there's that sun again, and taking that orange for a fun little pop in the inner corner. Love that little inner corner pop. Love using highlighters as eyeshadows. Many different uses with a highlighter. Going in with mascara, top and bottom lashes. Hiding behind that little mirror. And blending everything out once again. Lining the lips with this nude lip liner from Maybelline. Great drugstore liner. Then going in with this beautiful shade from Colourpop, one of their liquid lipsticks. I will list that shade down below, and I will have links to everything as well. And taking my time, getting that flawless lip action. Gotta be careful with that liquid lip. And cleaning it up with some liner. One last time, smoothing out those lines. And a little more beauty blender action. Can't live without that thing. Highlighting the Cupid's bow, and all done with the makeup look. Now gonna do something with my hair. Love this Kevin Murphy spray. Just fluffing it up. Alright, thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. I'm running late per usual. Don't even have time to do anything with my hair. Oh well, little spray and we're good. I look forward to seeing y'all soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and glam. Bye.